Hyundai Elantra Sport Maintenance Service. Hyundai Motor Company, often abbreviated to Hyundai Motors and commonly known as Hyundai, is a South Korean multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. Hyundai Motor Company was founded in 1967. The 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport is a sportier and more performance-oriented version of the standard Hyundai Elantra compact sedan. It's designed to offer a more engaging driving experience and additional features for those who want a bit more excitement from their daily commute. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport. Servicing your Hyundai Elantra Sport regularly is essential to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key maintenance tasks and tips for Hyundai Elantra Sport service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Hyundai Elantra Sport Owner's Manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of various components. Adhering to the recommended maintenance intervals helps keep your Elantra Sport in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Hyundai service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Hyundai vehicles. They have access to genuine Hyundai parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to Elantra Sport models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Hyundai's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for your Elantra Sport's performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your Elantra Sport's brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Hyundai's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your Elantra Sport's battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Hyundai for your Elantra Sport. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Hyundai service center. By staying proactive with your Hyundai Elantra Sport's maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can help ensure its performance, reliability, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time.